In you come, out you go. Yeah, we're on. Stay on, little Barramundi. Yes.
Masturbate, www.masturbate.com to get in touch with me or get in touch with Big Darren Crawley.
Morning, guys. Bright-eyed bushy tail this morning. Sun's cracking. Slight breeze. Let's get things organised here on the banks of the Roper. Oh yeah, there's a block there, look. Let's have a little bit of trouble backing over it. Over a bit. Put a couple of rocks. Get these flat rocks, look. Put it down here. Where's the lip? Lip's back here. Put the rock here. Oh yeah, that'll be good. That should be alright. Don't know. It's one of those days. Got up early too. There's a lip there, so get that just there. Hopefully that ramp don't drop off. I've been told it's pretty good. Righto, we'll give that a go. Not at all. Got it. Oh, got it. Cool. It does drop off that ramp. So there is a lip there and it does drop off a bit after it, so it's good to know. Come on, old girl, come around here. Oh, I think it's still stuck. Oh. things we do. Oh, what a morning. Alright. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're at this little creek mouth. Let's give us a bit of time. We'll set up. We'll have a look. Let's have a little troll up here, guys. Bit of time's passed. Getting up towards up on top of the floodplains. There's fish on the sounder. It's only a matter of time. We're going to sleep in the boat tonight. We'll stay here the next night too if we got to. Yeah, we're on. Don't ask. Oh. About to take it off because it kept getting grass on it. Oh. Come on. Nice Barramundi. Come on, in you come. Ready to go. Come on. Nice silver Barramundi. What's that? Oi. That's a 70. Stacking up around this corner here, look. Yeah, we're on. Not a bad fish either, I think. Come on, get out of them snags. Lucky we've only got one rod in. Got belted. Not a bad fish, this one. Oh. Oh. This is better. Oh, in the bloody tree. Jeepers! Oh, you still got him. See that? It went up in the trees. Oh, I haven't got my net out either. Holy. Come on. Oh. 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 Come on, big girl. Get you in. Same as the others, and we'll put you back. Oh, oh, nice fish, eh? Oh, have to lip grip this one. Come on. Ah! Ah! Oh, bloody for not being ready. I should have bloody. Oh. Oh. Laziness. Have a look at this. Holy. I don't know what all this. Little barras. Oh guys, that was bloody just laziness on my behalf. Gee, I'm dirty with myself. Oh, it just wrapped my hand around that leader and it just snapped it. Oh, that was a good fish too, 80s, mid 80s. Ah. Anyway, live and learn. Might turn around and go back through. Go back through that and have a look. What they are, eh? There's a lot of them. Maybe it's mullet. Maybe it's blue salmon or something. Maybe the barrows be hanging around them. Here's that school again, look. No, maybe blue salmon, eh? Yeah, we're on. Oh shit! Jesus! Sorry about the swearing, guys. Oh! Hollywood fish! Woohoo! We got. Holy! Crashing, slapping. Come on, fish. On the Barossa 6-inch. Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, nearly about to come off too. Come on. Come on. Come on, in you come. Oh. Yes. Oof. Oof. Wait. $66. Back in we go. Back. Holy. Beautiful, eh? 62. On Barramundi, back in you go. Only a small one. Thrown back. Little 58. There we go. Just saw some buffaloes running through out on the floodplains there. Yeah, we're on. Come on, Barramundi. In you come, out you go. Yes! Hup. Nice, Barra. Back in you go. Nearly had enough for the day, guys. Nice little silver 67. Think about taking one for catch and cook, but maybe tomorrow. Have a little flick in here. Oh. Oh, Barramundi. Right, guys, I've just thrown the anchor out. Oh. I believe this is a good little system here. So we'll have a few flicks. It's high tide now, so I think about 2 o'clock in the morning is low tide. I do believe tomorrow when we wake up, we're going to be in the hot zone. And possibly if I hear buffing during the night as the tide drops down, we're in the right place to whack it with a few fizzes. Let's get myself sorted out here. Maybe have a few flicks, see how we go. We got him. Oh, catch and release. Sun's going down. We're out the anchor out. We're whacking barramundis. See if we can get one in, eh? Oh, see if we can get one just over there. Yeah, we're on. Stay on, little barramundi. Oh, another catch and spit. Yep, this one's on. Got this one. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on, man. Up you come. Come on, man. Back in we go. Only whacking them on the process. Yep. Oh. Yes. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. Oh. Making up for it today. Oi. Come on. Jeepers. Round you come. In we go. Stay there, little barramundi. Good little eating size, this one. 57. Whew. I started the day off not real flash, guys. A lot of things. You probably won't get to see it, but This is making up for it. I'll have a couple more casts. We'll get ourselves ready for the night. Down that side there seems to be the go. Yep. Oh. Must be a bloody... I want to catch their mother. I think it was a bit better, this one. Come on. Oh. Call this a sunset barramundi. There we go. Come on. Oh, come on, barramundi. Come on. Come on. Come on, you're going back. You're going back, Barramundi. Alright guys, I think that'll be it, I think. I think we'll I'll get ready now. Pack down, pack up, pack down. It's been a long day. Oh. Holy guys. The mozzies are bad, eh? Got 2 thermocells going. But there's a breeze, so I don't have many pads left, so I'm just about to have a shower. And a hole in the hose, so I had to fix it a little bit. I don't know if a hook got it or what. Just charging the batteries. Porridge out for the morning. I could nearly say goodnight, I reckon. Bloody tired now. It's only 7 o'clock. Oh, should be good. It's good sleeping weather anyway. That's beautiful, eh? Let's get ourselves sawed here a bit. Oh. Yep. Yep. Yes. Come on, Barramundi. Come on. Lively little fellow this morning. Come on, mate. Come on, settle down, settle, pedal, settle. Oh. Beautiful sunrise, Barramundi. Have a look at that, eh? Back in we go. Midges. Deep as this old Peros, this has nailed a few fish. Have a look at it. just cruise down the river here slowly. We'll come up with a plan. We'll just check the tides. So it's coming in, funny tide. So the water's still running out at the moment, so but it's only slow, so it should start backing up soon. Oh, snag. Oh. Got him back. Yeah. So something should give soon. Hey guys, I'd just like to thank you guys for tuning in. Sometimes I forget about it and saying it, but I appreciate it. Always thinking of yous. Love your comments, and thank you very much. You can see there's structure there, or a hump, and there's fish sitting behind it, or sitting around it. So I just slow up when we go over it, just in case the lures want to hit. But also getting ready too for get whacked. Just went past some snags back there. You can see all the fish sitting around them. Look, look at their shadows out there. Holy! Beautiful little crocodile over on the bank. Look. Come on, Barramundi. Oh, still got him. Jeepers. What about that, eh? Just pulled up straight in, one cast. Haven't even got the net out. You know what happened yesterday? Come on, little Barramundi, get you in. We'll get you back out. Come on. Oh, beautiful Barramundi. Woo! I think this is where I say Barraboy. A little 68, guys. Good photo. Hey, back in we go. Woo. What's this? Drag that lure in underneath those branches there. Are we getting hits or we're hitting the bottom or what? Yep, we caught it. Come on. Underneath the... Wait. Wait. Come on. Come on. Come on, Barramundi. Oh. Come on. Beautiful. You better get that net out, Carney. Otherwise you're going to lose that secret, that lucky lure. 56. And back in we go. Get this out before we whack a big one. Yep. There we go. Come on. Come on, little barramundi. Come on. Come on, come in, we'll let you go. Hey. Beautiful little silver barramundis. Back in we go. I'll tell you what we're going to do, guys. This is the scat Jack Snacks. We'll give that a try. So yeah, guys, this is a suspending lure, same as the jackal squirrel. So I reckon this will work pretty good here. I'll give it a try anyway. Come on. Oof. Alright, here we go. Yep. On the scat, Jack Snacks. And a baby one. Little barramundi for a little lure. On the scat Jack Snacks with the orange underneath. Oh mate, back in you go. Yep. Come on. 57. There we go. On the little scat, the dark scat. Suspending lure, wind him down. Wait for him to get hit. Yep. Have a look at that. The master bait, wrap the lure, Jack Snacks. Beautiful little silver barramundi. Right, it's a 53. Oops, let you go. Back in you go. Yep. Oh. That's that suspending lure getting whacked, sitting in the water. It's a bit better on the scat. See? Nice little 68, guys. This morning here on the scat, on the roper. You can get hold of this one. A lot of scats come out. A lot of scats in all the river systems around the Northern Territory. Live series with Masterbait, www.masterbait.com, or get in touch with me, or get in touch with Big Darren Crawley. Get him on Facebook. Keep him down there. Yep. Yep. $53. Back in we go. Yep. Nope. Yep. Come on. Another 53. Back in we go. Got him at the boat. She's never over. Again, nice silver barramundi on the scat. I'll have to stop saying it. It'll drive you mad. Little 62. Back in you go. cat also got carny. Ow! Ah, it's all good. Stop it from bleeding, we'll be right. Alright guys, what a hot little session. Keep moving up the river. We're back on the trail guys. Oh, we're on. Oh. Oh, that's little 60 Barramundi. He's caught a lot of fish this one. And again, driving along here with a bloody jeepers. 55, back in we go. Alright guys, I'm going to head back to the bow ramp. Just going to show you quickly where we are. There's the bow ramp, Port Roper, Groot Island, Darwin's way over here, Shady Camp, see you somewhere, one of those, East Alligator. So yeah, we're way over here. Alright, so we're going to head back.
That's my river.
Alright guys, we just pulled up here for 2 secs. I got Dave, it's Heather.
Waka.
So the guys pulled up and we're just going to get quick. We get it in a quick, well it's not a selfie.
With the old whitey.
With a whitey. Not whitey.
We're at Shady Camp.
It's Shady Camp.
Top of the Shady. Top of Tommy.
Top of Tommy cut.
Whitey lure.
Watch out.
110.
Watch out we don't bump into the barrage.
Nice
Cheers mate, eh? No worries.
No,
Cheers,
well
eh?
done. Congratulations on your retirement.
Cheers mate, eh? Alright, so always good when you just pull us up guys. Ever see us out on the water, pull up, say good day. Righto, let's head back to the boat ramp. Guys, just chilling out here. I'll pull the rooftop tent down so we get maximum solar. It's pretty windy. Just waiting, maybe go crabbing or I'm going to head home. So if you watched it this far, I'll probably say goodbye. It's been a great trip. Cheers guys, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks Luke and Aaron. You guys are legends, and I'll see you on the next one soon. Might turn the camera on the way home, we'll see, but probably not. 720 Ks. See you on the next one, legends. Cheers guys.